ओम भूगर्भाय नमः। नमो नमस्ते अखिल मंत्र देवता द्रव्याय सर्वक्रतवे क्रियात्मने वैराग्य भक्त्यात्म जयानुभावित ज्ञानाय विद्या गुरवे नमो नमः। This shloka from Bhagavata describes Lord Varaha as our mentor because he bestows the true knowledge to all the seekers. The word Bhugarbha says the one who clears our doubts to make way to a proper knowledge. The word Bhu says Prithvi, and the word Prithvi says Buddhi, our wisdom or mind. Buddhireva Prithivyakhya samshayas tadgato yataha. So, Bhu is our mind or wisdom. If a doubt enters our mind, it destroys our wisdom, so that the seeker becomes unable to decide whether he is doing a proper thing or not. So, Bhugara means the doubts. Bhugara Bha means the one who clears out those doubts. The Lord, in all his forms, clears our doubts and gives us a true knowledge, self-realization and God-realization. Especially the form of Lord Varaha is described in Bhagavata as our mentor, Vidyaguru. So, he himself is called as Bhugarbha. The word Bhugarbha has other meanings. That is, Bhu is a Vyahrati. Bhuhu, Bhuvaha and Swaha. These are the three Vyahritis, the first three words of Gayatri Mantra. And among them, the first word, Bhuhu, describes Lord Varaha. Varaha, Simha, Kapilaha, Tesham Bhuradi Namakaha. Varaha is described by first Vyahrati, Bhuhu. Narasimha is described by the second Vyahrati, Bhuvaha. And Lord Kapila is described by the third Vyahrati, Swaha. So, Lord Varaha is described as Bhugarbha, the one who is described by the first Vyahrati, or the word of Gayatri Mantra, that is Bhuhu. It is also said, Bhunama Spurtirupatvat. Spurti is nothing but inspiration. The Lord is an embodiment of inspiration, our inner inspiration or intuition. So he is called Bhugarbha.